again. I'm Gerardo from Spain, Mallorca. This is my first time with ACAS, workshop 1-to-1, and the experience is improving every time more and more. I'm learning a lot about composition, about framing, about knowing about the light, how to interact with the people, and getting every time best and best pictures. I'm very proud of myself because ACAS helped me very much to improve my photography. During this workshop of 8 days in Sri Lanka, ACAS and me, we worked together in many places all around Sri Lanka. We took many pictures and we enjoy it very much. Sri Lanka is colorful. I like very much this country. The people is very friendly. There are so many activities to do, so many opportunities to get very good images. I am very happy to be here in this workshop with ACAS. ACAS for me is a very close friend, and already after 3 workshops that we are doing together. And what I can say is that since I know him, I improve like photographer a lot. He's teaching me many things, and it was very helpful for me. I love Sri Lanka. I love ACAS. I love these friendly people here in Sri Lanka. I love the workshops. I am very happy, and I go from Sri Lanka with a very big smile.